We're back. Well, we just couldn't do one box because we got a lot of cases coming in. So we're going to do a second box here, Legendary Cuts. We just took another one right off the top. As you can see, everything's still hunky-dory, and tomorrow we have already people calling asking for this stuff. It's going to be pretty hot. All right, here's Joe. He's going to do our box break again.
As always.
So let's see what we do. And we get both of these up for your enjoyment. And remember, you're also seeing this at Rookies and Stars Sports Collectibles in Avenella, Jersey. Just thought I'd get you all, like, you know, aware of my name.
All right. See if we can find a cut this time. Iwamura, John Lackey, Alfonso Soriano, and we got Roger Clemens.
Last box we got 6 Yankee Legacy cards, so we'll see what happens with this one too. We're trying to get an average.
Dontrell Willis, a little bit of a rough game for him yesterday. Ichiro.
Ooh.
Nice jersey card, Don Mattingly with a pinstripe there, number /75. Alex Gordon and Ryan Howard.
Now, according to Upper Deck, there's supposed to be 3 cut signatures per case. I like to try to get one, or I'm just going to have to open up cases just for your enjoyment.
Gary Sheffield, Chris Young, Cole Hamels, and Babe Ruth, the Bambino.
Ooh, that's one of the short prints to make the set. I think there's 1 per box on those.
Yeah, that's what it seems like, because we only had 1 last box too. So those are going to be, should be pretty good money on those again. Vlad Guerrero, Ian Kennedy, rookie. We got Miguel Tejada, and we got a John Wetland, Yankee Stadium Legacy.
Wetland and Boggs seem to be the team this
We got Ramos Ramirez, Curtis Granderson, Jim Tomei, and Lance Berkman. What do we got here? Got Torrey Hunter, Jeff Francoeur, Josh Beckett, and Derek Jeter, Yankee Stadium Legacy.
Woohoo!
Next half of the box. We start with Ivan Rodriguez, Albert Pujols, Alex Rodriguez, hit another home run yesterday, and Mariano Rivera, Yankee Stadium Legacy.
We only got 1 jersey card out of the first half of the box. It's supposed to be 4, so...
Let's see, we got a Roy Oswalt, Mike Piazza,
who's retired, I think.
got a Kurt Schilling jersey card, Delman Young, and Chipper Jones. Okay, we start with Nomar Garciaparra, Miguel Cabrera, Jeremy Bonderman, and another Roger Clemens, Yankee Stadium Legacy.
Tomorrow we'll be doing Donruss Elite Football 2008. Not from the workout room either.
Matt Holliday, Dan Ugla. We got a Chris Duncan jersey card. Troy Tulowitzki and Kurt Schilling. Come on, where's the cut? Regular Derek Jeter card. Andrew Jones. Carlos Beltran. And we got Andy Pettitte, Yankee Stadium Legacy.
A lot of legacy cards in this set.
A lot of newer guys too this time. It's not normally you have a little bit mix of young and old. Got Freddie Sanchez, Roger Clemens, dual jersey card. We got Lance Berkman and Hunter Pence. It's a pretty nice one too. 3 colors there. We got Trevor Hoffman and a Grady Sizemore.
And there you have it. No cut signature this time, but stay tuned. We open boxes galore all the time. You've seen this at Rookies and Stars Sports Collectibles. Boxes are for sale on our eBay ID, Rookies_and_stars. And then we put the singles up on the other one, Rookies and Stars Singles. And we're Platinum Power Sellers. Say goodbye, Joe.
See you later, everyone.
All right, take care. Bye-bye.